Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time on Fresha. So first, you may want to head over to fresha.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on the calendar icon and from the timeline, just select the specific time that you want to block. Say for example, we're going to block 8 p.m. So just click on it. A new tiny window will then pop up, and all you have to do is click on Add Block Time. From the right panel, start by choosing the block time type. If it's launch, meeting, training, or if you want to add a custom time type. So start by adding a title, but this is optional. So say for example, we want to use this for lunchtime. Set the date. And of course, the time we selected 8 p.m. to just select a duration and team member. Also select the frequency. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!